Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my Glam Fall Tablescape. Now, this tablescape was created for a collaboration, and the collaboration is with the Glam Squad. Now, if you don't know who the Glam Squad is, let me share a little bit with you now. So there are 4 ladies, obviously. That's why they call themselves a squad. And they are Styling with Stacy, Glamour Ellen, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Inspired by Chanel. Now, do you love glam? Do you love beautiful home decor? If you do, you got to make sure that you go down, follow the links that I've put in my description box, as well as the playlist, so that you can view some glam and even some traditional and other fancy fall tablescapes. So also, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll subscribe today. I'd love to have you be a part of the family, and make sure you tap that bell a couple of times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good night or a good day. Thank you.